This is our jQuery course-related tutorial, and in this course, you are going to learn about mouse events. Here we have 5 mouse events in jQuery I. Click double means what we call double-click context menu. Context menu means right-click mouse enter, and mouse Z is the robber. So let's see how we can use it practically. Look here. Here we have created a basic HTML document. Look above. Here we have given a heading, and below it is a do, and inside it is a subheading, and inside it is a DOM paragraph. Here is the heading, and look at that. We have given an ID to the box, and also given a class to it called test, and below it is a heading in an H2. There is a paragraph, and below it, we have added a jQuery file, jcart.ts. Now here, first of all, we start our events, mouse events. For this, I will first go to the script type QC, and I have to write my JScript. First of all, I write the script that is called my basic document. Ready? Inside which we will go and code the JScript. I have added this ready method. Now inside it, I take the function. This is the next one. I put a semicolon inside the function and outside it. Now, what do I have to do inside it? What do I want? As soon as I click on this dip, the pink color in the background changes. I will write here. I will put a selector first, here, and the name of the selector is mine. This whole dip is visible. I have put an ID on it, the box, so I want to work with the box here. Now I will use my event here, whose name is C. I will write here, click. And after that, I will put round presses. And after that, the semicolon. Now inside this click, I have to create a function. I told you in the last 2 videos that all the work that is done inside jQuery is done on functions. So here too, we create a function. Do not give this function any name, just you. We created a function. As we had the function above for ready, we have also created a function here for click. Now let's go inside it and do our main work. Let's see what I will do for that. I will take $ here, and for the one I want to change the color of, I will write box here as if I want to move towards the box. And after that, if I want to apply CSS to it, we will write CSS here and change the property like background color, background hyphen color, and C comma here. You can see its value. So, as I have given green here for the color, and see here, I saved the file. I enlarge this document here. I save the file here. Now, when I pick on the box here, see the color will change. See the color has changed. So you saw how we set the event here. I have put a dot here on the box and wrote that I want to set an event from click to June. After that, you will give an empty function inside it, and inside it, you have to work like I showed by changing the background color. You can do anything. You can also take its HTML. I will show you that if it is not the default color, I take a variable A and inside it, which is my selector, I copy it and put it here and write it here. What is HTML? HTML ? I have a method that will tell me where the H of the box will go in a variable called A, and I will print it in the console and see this here. I put A here and I save the file here. Now, I will first open the console and show you. Then, I will click on it. I went to the console. Now, as soon as I click on this box, see its HTML. See here, S2 and paragraph 2 have been noted. So, this was what we meant. I showed you how we can do different things. We can use CSS, we can use HTML, and there will be more videos in the future in which I will tell you what we can do. Now I'm just telling you what mouse events we have and how to use them. So for now, I'll just set the color again. Now, as soon as I click on it, then see its color changed. So this was our click event. Now I will tell you the second event, which is called DBL click, meaning double-click on the box. Then it will be green color. But when I write DBL click on it here, and I double-click on it, then it will be orange if I single-click, then it will be green. I saved the file and see when I clicked it. It became green color. Now I double-click on it. Then see it became orange. So, do you understand how developer click works? All these events. They are clickable mouse. They can run on any deck, on image, on heading, on paragraph. They will work on it. And here I will tell you the third event, which is, its name is context menu. Context menu means right-click, so I will copy it and paste it here, and just change the name of the event here. The name of the nut is context menu. I change the color here to red when I right-click on it on the box. Now see what color will be red. I saved the file. See now I right-click on it. See here the red color has been set. But when I click on it, it has become green color. When I double-click, I right-click on it again. See here the red has been set. Now you are seeing it has become green again. See now I will tell you about the two more events of last that we have. One is mouse center and one is mouse left. That means as soon as the mouse comes into the box, that event is triggered. Look here, I just changed the name of the event, and right here, mouse enter, and change the background color to black. I saved the file, and look here. I won't click on it right now. As soon as I move the mouse over it, if I click on it, it will turn green. If
Thanks watching my video. Subscribe, like, and comment.